This smart garage door opener remote is tailored for modern Genie IntelliCode and overhead door systems, making it a practical upgrade for older garages without needing new wiring or professional help. It integrates smoothly with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri, so you can open or close the garage hands-free or check its status with a quick voice command. The companion application delivers timely alerts whenever the door moves and can remind you if it stays open too long, which adds a reassuring layer of security and protection from the weather. Shared access features let you give family or trusted visitors digital entry instead of physical keys. And the detailed activity history makes it easy to see exactly when the door was used. Setup is straightforward thanks to the wireless sensor and hub pairing process, so most people can go from unboxing to full smart control in roughly 10 minutes. Once installed, the remote works reliably over standard home Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor and control the garage door from virtually anywhere with an internet connection.